Size isn't everything when it comes to concealed carry. Some handguns are built for raw power, others are engineered for precision. But this category is all about being invisible. Today we're breaking down some of the smallest handguns you can legally own. These pistols are tiny, feather-light, and designed to vanish under clothing. Yet they still bring enough punch to defend your life when it matters most. Whether you're looking for a deep concealment backup, a last-ditch lifesaver, or just a unique collector's piece, these micro-sized firearms prove that big things really can come in small packages. Number 7. Ruger LCP Max. The Ruger LCP Max shows how much performance you can squeeze into a pocket pistol. This little gun is built for deep concealment but still delivers serious firepower. It weighs only 10.6 ounces. Overall length is 5.17 inches, height is 4.12, and the width? Just 0.81 inches. That's pocket gun territory, but Ruger managed to fit a 10-round magazine of 380 ACP. That's double the capacity of the original LCP without adding bulk. The barrel measures 2.8 inches, giving you reliable accuracy at self-defense ranges. Up front, you've got a tritium front sight with a bold white ring, making it easy to pick up in low light. The rear sight is drift adjustable, letting you fine-tune your alignment. The grip frame is glass-filled nylon for strength and lightweight, with enough texture to hang onto under recoil. The slide and barrel are alloy steel, finished in black oxide for durability. And despite being a small frame pistol, it offers better control than you'd expect from a gun this size. Designed for pocket carry or inside the waistband, the LCP Max balances portability with shootability. Latest price, $479. Pros: extremely compact and lightweight, perfect for deep concealment. 10-round magazine doubles the capacity of older LCP models. Tritium front sight gives a real edge in low light. Cons: limited aftermarket support compared to larger pistols. Grip can feel undersized for shooters with bigger hands. Number 6. Diamondback DB9. When size is critical but you still want 9mm punch, the Diamondback DB9 steps in. This pistol is purpose-built to be the smallest possible 9mm for deep concealment. Unloaded, it weighs just 13.4 ounces. Length is 5.73 inches. Height is 4 inches even. Width is 0.9 inches. That tiny footprint still carries 6+1 rounds of 9mm Luger, giving it a power advantage over many 380 pocket pistols. The barrel is stainless steel, 3.1 inches long, which is plenty for accuracy at defensive distances. It runs a striker-fired, double-action-only trigger with about a 5.5-pound pull, smooth and consistent. The polymer frame has stippling on the front and back straps, helping you keep a secure hold on such a small gun. It also comes with Glock-compatible 3-dot sights, a rare upgrade on pistols this size. One drawback: after the last round, the slide does not lock open. That means you've got to be extra aware during reloads. MSRP is $399, but depending on the shop, you'll often see them priced anywhere from $210 to $346. Pros: ultra lightweight and compact, perfect for deep concealment. 6+1 capacity in 9mm offers more punch than a 380. Glock-compatible sights make aiming easier and upgrades possible. Cons: slide doesn't lock open on empty. No external safety, which some shooters may prefer. Number 5. Beretta 3032. Tomcat. Sometimes the smallest sidearms make the biggest impression. The Beretta Tomcat delivers old-school Beretta reliability in a true pocket pistol footprint. It weighs just 14.5 ounces. Overall length is 4.92 inches. Height is 3.7. Width is only 1.1 inches. That's small enough to disappear in a front pocket or vanish under a light shirt. Chambered in 32 ACP, it runs a 7+1 capacity, plenty for a backup gun or deep concealment carry. The Tomcat also carries Beretta's famous tip-up barrel system. That lets you load a round directly into the chamber without racking the slide. For shooters with limited hand strength, that feature is a game-changer. It's a blowback-operated pistol with a double-action and single-action trigger system, smooth on the pull and crisp on the break. The forged aluminum frame keeps weight down, while the stainless steel slide brings durability. Sights are simple, fixed front, drift adjustable rear. Not perfect for low light, but accurate enough for its intended role. Add in a manual thumb safety, and you've got a dependable pocket pistol that still feels like a true Beretta. Latest price, $543. Pros, ultra compact and lightweight for true deep concealment. Tip-up barrel makes chambering around easy. Strong build with aluminum and stainless construction. Cons, 32 ACP is light on stopping power. Fixed front sight limits upgrades. Grip feels small in larger hands. Number 4. Bond Arms Stinger Series. In today's world of double-stack compacts, the Bond Arms Stinger proves you don't always need a magazine full of ammo. This modern Derringer carries just 2 shots, but with the right caliber, that's sometimes all you need. The Stinger weighs only 12 ounces. Length is 4.5 inches. Width? Just 0.88. It's one of the lightest defensive handguns you can buy, and it practically vanishes when carried. Despite that micro size, Bond Arms offers it in several calibers: 9mm, 380 ACP, 38 Special, 22 Long Rifle, and 22 WMR. That flexibility is rare in a pistol this small. The 3-inch stainless steel barrel keeps it rugged but light. Operation is single action, so you cock the hammer before each shot. That slows things down, but it also makes every press deliberate. For safety, it runs a cross-bolt lock, a rebounding hammer, and retracting firing pins. Sights are as basic as they come, fixed front blade with a rear notch. Enough for close-range defense, which is exactly what this pistol is built for. You also get grip options, a rubber set for more control, or a slim polymer version for maximum concealment. It's no frills, but it works. MSRP runs between $279 and $399. On the street, expect to pay anywhere from $216 to $389. Pros: extremely compact and lightweight. Available in multiple calibers. Rugged stainless and aluminum build. Cons: only 2 shots before you're reloading. Requires manual cocking every time. Sights are very limited past close range. Number 3. Beretta 950 Jetfire. Sometimes the right tool is the one that fits in the palm of your hand. The Beretta Jetfire has been around for decades, and it's still one of the most trusted micro pistols for pocket defense. This gun weighs just 9.9 ounces. Length is 4.7 inches. Height is 3.4. Width is less than an inch. 0.91. It's chambered in 25 ACP, with an 8+1 capacity. That's more rounds than most pocket pistols give you. The barrel is 2.4 inches of carbon steel, short, light, and durable. Like the Tomcat, the Jetfire features Beretta's signature tip-up barrel system. That means no slide racking required, perfect for shooters who want a simple, direct way to load. The trigger is single action, giving you a crisp break that helps with follow-up shots. A manual safety adds one more layer of security. Sights are fixed and very basic. They're not designed for precision work, but at close range, they do the job. As a backup gun, or a primary when nothing else will fit, the Jetfire proves small doesn't mean unreliable. Latest price, $336. Pros: extremely compact and easy to carry. 8+1 capacity is strong for its size. Tip-up barrel keeps loading simple. Cons: 25 ACP is very light on power. Grip is tiny for larger hands. Fixed sights limit longer range accuracy. Number 2. Kel-Tec P32. When ounces matter more than anything, this is the pistol people reach for. The Kel-Tec P32 rewrote the rules on ultra-light pocket carry. It proved that a handgun can be featherweight, reliable, and still shootable. Weight is just 6.6 ounces. Length is 5.1 inches. Height is 3.5. And width? An incredibly slim 0.75 inches. That makes it one of the smallest centerfire pistols you can buy today. It's chambered in 32 ACP, with a 7+1 capacity. That's more than most pocket pistols in this class. The barrel is 2.7 inches, giving you accuracy that works for defensive distances. Operation is double action only, with a smooth and consistent pull on every shot. What really sets the P32 apart is the locked breech system. Most tiny pistols use a blowback design, but Kel-Tec went a different route. The locked breech cuts recoil down noticeably, making this pistol far more controllable than its size suggests. It even has a last round slide hold open, something you almost never see on a pistol this small. That feature speeds up reloads and keeps the gun running like a larger platform. With a polymer frame and minimalist build, the P32 disappears inside a pocket holster, an ankle rig, or even as a third-line backup. It's the definition of carry anywhere concealment. Price runs between $210 and $369, depending on the shop and promotion. Pros: extremely lightweight and easy to conceal. Locked breech system reduces felt recoil. 7+1 capacity is impressive for the size. Cons: 32 ACP lacks power compared to 9mm or even 380 ACP. Basic fixed sights limit precision shooting. Double action only trigger is longer than some shooters prefer. Number 1. North American Arms. Mini Short. Can a real revolver be smaller than a credit card? This one is. The North American Arms Mini Short is purpose-built for extreme concealment. It's one of the tiniest functional handguns you can legally carry. Weight is just 4.1 ounces. Overall length is only 3.63 inches. And yet it still holds 5 rounds of .22 short inside a removable cylinder. The frame and cylinder are stainless steel, giving it toughness despite the tiny build. The bird's head grip is small but manageable once you get used to it. Up front, you'll find a simple half-moon front sight, just enough for ultra-close work. It's a single-action revolver, so you have to cock the hammer before every shot. Reloading requires removing the cylinder, which is slow, but that's not the point here. This pistol isn't built for firepower. It's built to vanish completely, whether in a pocket, on a belt, or even hidden inside a coin pouch. With virtually no recoil, it's easy to control, and it doubles as a novelty or collector's piece. As a last-ditch self-defense option, it proves that any gun is still better than no gun at all. Current price sits between $240 and $255. Pros: extremely small and lightweight. Durable stainless steel construction. Virtually no recoil, making it easy to shoot. Cons: 22. Short has very limited stopping power. Reloading is slow and not suited for emergencies. Grip can be awkward for larger hands. So there you have it. 7 of the smallest handguns you can actually carry today. Each one proves that concealment doesn't mean compromise. Some of these pistols are backups, some are novelties, and some are serious tools for deep concealment. But every single one of them shows that size isn't everything when it comes to self-defense. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know which one of these micro pistols you'd trust as your last line of defense.